What's up, y'all? I'm trying to make a video of how to use a back cracking thing like this to crack your back. I've been doing that for like a year or two now. I've been cracking my back with one of these, and it's been working good. And before that, I was going to the chiropractor, and I just got tired of it. I just want to demonstrate. I'm about to put it like right under my lower back, and they say you can use a pillow or a rolled up towel too, but I should probably turn that off. Maybe on the next video I'll turn that off. I meant to have that off for the video. There, you can see where I have it. And I put it right under my back. Oh, I heard a loud pop, and it felt very good. Just like going to the chiropractor. And then I go like this, and I try to stretch toward the side I have the more sciatic pain in usually, and that would be this side. When I do stretch, I'll stretch toward that side with the sciatic pain that I've had. But I got one little crack out of it that time. Sometimes I'll get 2 or 3, and I just knew ever since I just stretched and I overstretched, and I knew I threw my back out. There's a bunch of different things I'll do that'll throw my back out, but that just fixed it. Just like going to the chiropractor and having her, what she does is she just like punches you real soft in the middle of your back, in the small of your back there, and it does the same thing. But this thing works perfect. I forget what it's called. Maybe I'll let you know in the title of the video when I figure out what it's called again. I just call it my back cracking tool, my special back cracking pillow. This is actually shaped to massage your back, and that's shaped for the vertebrae of your backbone. I just wanted to demonstrate because I just popped my back just like going to the chiropractor, and I feel a lot of relief from it. Anyway, thanks for watching.